Today, this topic is about the hybrid campus, redesigning our schools and the student experience. What kind of takeaway can we gain from this whole year of online experience? And maybe take some of that merit and go beyond this, go back into our traditional campus and really make it quote unquote hybrid.
We now move towards the exciting challenge of improving our learning continuity efforts to quality assurance in our flexible learning systems.
I must say that assessment of learning outcomes must also need to cope with all these developments. Schools now must embrace EdTech and ICT to transform assessment so it becomes more authentic. When we say authentic here, preparing the learner for using knowledge into practice or work.
We need an infrastructure to better build relationship with students and parents. So basically readjust the perspective, because when we speak about learning, when we speak about education, we always jump into learning standards, learning outcomes. But the other side of education is the development of the human person in terms of lifelong learning skills and even the character formation. In distance education, I think this is one thing that I want to emphasize. We don't only talk about instruction. We don't only talk about preparation of learning resources or delivery. There's a big subsystem called learner support system.
You also don't want to overwhelm both students and parents by using so many different software or apps or platforms. So you need to choose which ones you can use together. I wanted to also talk about the well-being support because that becomes really important now. Previously, it was easier because then you have face-to-face talk and you can see how students are doing. But then now, this partnership with parents becomes important because you want to know how students are doing at home. Are they locking themselves in the room, etc.? So this kind of collaboration you need to increase.